Hello everybody, thanks for clicking. That's me RD. Right now I intended I joined to the John Brown's lesson. Today his birthday and let's congrats him. But as you see, John Brown leads the lesson despite he has a birthday today, and so he's the hard worker, and he's very so nice person and wonderful and great man and great teacher, and I am happy. Let's practice. Let's practice what he said. The polar bear is listed as threatened. The polar bear is listed as threatened. The polar bear is listed as threatened. So I do practice this such ways. I have a stick, one chopstick, I put it and I repeat the sentence. The polar bear is listed as threatened. The polar bear is listed as threatened. So it's so funny, but it makes the polar bear, at least the polar bear, and that sound, remember, when verbs or the sound, the. Hello Jackie, thanks for watching me, and as you see, it's my common practice of English, and I make my speech apparent to move correctly with this chopstick. I put it into mouth and I repeat the lesson. To threaten, the verb to threaten. The polar bear is listed as threatened. You can hear voiced, Wonderbird, voiced. Hello Mohammed, thanks for clicking. Then we add the ed ending. The listed, threatened. The polar bear is listed as threatened. The polar bear is listed as threatened. Okay, thank you very much. Who is joined us? Muhuba, is it you? So now I continue. Here is the lesson. Maybe you are there. Teacher John leads the lesson. I love that really big old green antique car that is always parked at the end of the street. I love that really big old green antique car that is always parked at the end of the street. So, Muhuba, hello. This is my common practice English. I have chopstick and I put it into mouth and I repeat words, every words, and so my speech apparatus works more correctly. I love that old green antique car that is always parked at the end of the street. So practice this way and you will acquire good pronunciation. Thank you very much. Bye. Attend our lessons. See you.